The river is rising, and the storm is near. For these tiny survivors, every second counts. They race toward a crevice in the rock, their only hope against the coming flood. With coordinated effort, they wedge slabs of petrified wood into the gaps, building a wall of defense. Thick, golden resin flows slowly over the joints, creating a waterproof seal that catches the dim light. Tiny fingers press minerals into the wet seal, reinforcing their stronghold against the crushing weight of the water. The river surges rapidly, reaching the door. They retreat inside, locking the hatch just in time. A massive wave crashes against the cliff, testing the limits of their miniature engineering. The flood recedes, and the shelter stands firm. Safe within, the light of survival continues to shine.